Can you believe that this pastry cream is made in the microwave? Watch this. Mix together the sugar and cornstarch. Then add the egg yolks and mix well until you get a smooth mixture. Add the milk and keep mixing. Then add the flavorings. We choose lemon zest and vanilla extract. Put the bowl in the microwave for 3-4 minutes at 750 watts. Give it a stir, then in the microwave again for another 3 minutes. And there it is. Stir once more and in a few seconds the magic happens. Creamy, smooth and glossy. Your pastry cream is ready, and you can use it for your favorite recipes. How will you use it? Tell us in the comments. Follow us for more genius kitchen tricks like this.